Welcome to the best picks. The best face tattoo is probably one of the most permanent and impactful decisions someone can make regarding their personal aesthetic, offering a bold and undeniable form of self-expression that can redefine one's appearance and identity in a profound way, making it a choice that demands careful deliberation and a deep understanding of its lifelong implications and the societal perceptions it might evoke. Number 5. Original Stationery Glitter Tattoo Kit. Get ready for dazzling fun with this amazing glitter tattoo kit. It's packed with everything you need to create beautiful, sparkling body art. With 24 fun stencils and 6 vibrant colors, the possibilities are endless. Let your creativity shine through with every design. Designed for ages 3 to 8, this kit is super easy to use. It's perfect for little hands to create their own temporary masterpieces. Make your next sleepover or birthday party unforgettable. These glitter tattoos are a fantastic party favor and activity. Looking for a unique and exciting gift? This comprehensive set provides hours of creative entertainment for any child. This 33-piece set includes all the essentials: colorful glitter pots, brushes, adhesive, and plenty of stencils. You'll have a blast. What we like? This kit is perfect for young children. If you are looking for a safe and engaging activity for kids aged 3 to 8, this is an excellent choice. It provides hours of creative fun with easy application and a wide array of designs. What people say? The adhesive is strong and lasts all day. The designs are intricate and look very realistic. Easy to apply and remove without leaving residue. Number 4. Zonon Gold Glitter Freckles Face Tattoo. Get ready to dazzle with our collection of temporary face tattoos. These eye-catching designs add a touch of sparkle and mystery to any look. You'll receive 20 sheets filled with assorted patterns, sizes, and shapes. There are plenty of options to choose from, ensuring endless fun for your next event. These metallic tattoos are the perfect accessory for Halloween, costume parties, music festivals, and more. Stand out from the crowd and embrace the festive spirit. These versatile stickers can be applied to your face, hands, neck, or anywhere you desire. Mix and match the decorative patterns like sun, moon, and stars to create your unique style. Our temporary tattoos are safe, non-toxic, and waterproof, typically lasting 3 to 4 days. Application is simple, just dampen with water and hold for a few seconds. They're also easy to remove with makeup remover. Whether you're attending a concert, a birthday party, or just want to add some flair to your daily wear, these tattoos are a great way to express your personality. What we like? For those who want to make a statement, these offer a dazzling metallic look. If you're attending a festival, party, or need a unique costume accessory, these are ideal. They provide a waterproof, long-lasting shimmer that ensures you'll stand out. What people say? This is a great product for a quick costume. The tattoos are easy to apply and look realistic. They stayed on all night without smudging. Number 3. Festival Face and Body Temporary Tattoos. Get ready to shine with our dazzling collection of temporary tattoos. Perfect for festivals, parties, or just adding a touch of magic to your everyday look. Explore a variety of shimmering glitter and metallic freckle designs. These add a unique, eye-catching element to your makeup. Adorn yourself with elegant butterfly stickers that bring a whimsical touch. They are easy to apply and remove, making styling a breeze. Complete your rave or festival outfit with these must-have accessories. They are designed to make you stand out from the crowd. Enjoy long-lasting wear with simple application. These temporary tattoos offer a fun and safe way to express your style. With 32 sheets in total, you have endless possibilities to create unique combinations. Mix and match to express your personal style. What we like? This option combines both glitter and metallic finishes for a truly eye-catching effect. If you're heading to a rave, festival, or looking for bold festival makeup, these are perfect. They offer a trendy and vibrant way to express yourself. What people say? The tattoo is very realistic and looks like a real tattoo. The adhesive is strong and lasts for a long time. Easy to apply and remove. Number 2. Animal Temporary Face Tattoos for Kids. Looking for a fun and easy way to add some magic to your child's day? Our temporary face tattoos are perfect for sparking creativity and bringing smiles. This pack comes with 10 exciting designs, featuring adorable animals like bunnies, pandas, and giraffes, plus beautiful butterflies and fairies. Applying these vibrant stickers is a breeze. They are safe for children's skin and can be easily removed, making them a worry-free choice for parents. These are ideal for Easter basket stuffers, Halloween costumes, Christmas gifts, or just a fun addition to any festival or party. Watch as faces transform into playful animals and enchanting characters with just a simple application. It's a quick way to add excitement to any event. Encourage hours of imaginative play and dress up with these delightful temporary tattoos. They're a fantastic way for kids to express themselves. What we like? These are specifically designed with children in mind, featuring adorable animal motifs. If you need fun and safe face decorations for kids for holidays like Easter, Halloween, or Christmas, these are a fantastic choice. They add a playful touch to any child's festive look. What people say. The adhesive is strong and lasts all day, even through sweat. The designs are intricate and look very realistic, like actual tattoos. Easy to apply and remove without leaving any residue. Number 1. PAGOW 40 Sheet Temporary Butterfly Tattoos. Unleash your creativity with our temporary butterfly tattoos. Perfect for girls, kids, and women, these colorful designs add a touch of magic to any occasion. Simply peel and stick these self-adhesive tattoos for instant fun. They are waterproof, ensuring your beautiful body art stays vibrant through parties and everyday adventures. Explore a world of enchanting fairy and flower patterns. These temporary tattoos are perfect for expressing your unique style on your face, arms, or body. Looking for a unique party favor? These temporary tattoos are ideal for birthday parties, Valentine's Day, or as a delightful surprise in goodie bags. Enjoy vibrant, colorful art that's safe and easy to apply. These fake tattoos offer a fun way to experiment with different looks without commitment. These aren't just temporary tattoos, they're a way to add a splash of color and fun to any event. They make excellent fillers for goodie bags and party stuffers. What we like? With over 280 pieces, this set offers an incredible value and variety, especially with its charming butterfly designs. If you need temporary tattoos for party favors, goodie bags, or just want a lot of options for girls and women, this is the way to go. They are perfect for birthdays and adding a touch of colorful art to any occasion. What people say. The tattoo is easy to apply and stays on well. Great variety of designs to choose from. Looks very realistic, like a real tattoo. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.